CAM is a Center for Agile and Adaptive Additive Manufacturing. It was established in 2019 with the Texas State Legislative appropriation of $10 million in funding that has been recently renewed for additional $10 million through 2023. CAM looks at additive manufacturing in a holistic manner, which includes material science, cybersecurity, data science and analytics, logistics and supply chain. CAM's primary mission is to conduct next-generation research, education, and workforce training in additive manufacturing. Especially CAM's educational wing, Institute of Transformative Education in Additive Manufacturing, or ITIM, provides courses, seminars, workshops, symposia, in-lab training sessions, and summer camps for industry and community colleges.
The community colleges don't really have facilities that could support this, nor do they have faculty that have spent decades researching these particular aspects. But fortunately, CAM and ITEAM through CAM has supplied that knowledge base to them. It's an entirely new aspect to the way that they can educate their students, that they don't have to, bear the upfront cost of creating this center. They can come join us and reap the educational benefits.
The CAM Center is unique because of all of its cutting edge technology, all of the machines that are only available here, and the faculty.
This course in additive manufacturing gives you a pretty big look at the spectrum of manufacturing. And so with the addition of additive manufacturing, that could open up a lot of possibilities from cybersecurity to logistics and supply chain management, and of course the manufacturing processes.
Additive manufacturing, it can make complex parts that can't be made in other methods of manufacturing. Now that I've done this training, I feel like I'm way ahead of other people.
There was a whole 1-week lecture prior to the in-lab experiences, which really covered all the aspects, since it's not only the manufacturing, there's also the cybersecurity concerns which are involved. There's a whole department of data sciences and whole knowledge of that, which is also involved in additive manufacturing and the testing of these parts. So it really gave me a well-rounded understanding of the various aspects of additive manufacturing. I think this is a great program for especially any students who seek STEM majors or a career in STEM.
When you come to CAM and you come to the ITEAM program, that's something that you're not going to find anywhere else in the country. So it's just an entirely new avenue for education that has been afforded to all of the North Texas community colleges and local colleges that we have partnered with.